Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix location services grayed out on iPhone. First go to settings, tap on screen time, select content and privacy restrictions. Under privacy, ensure location service is set to allow changes. Now go to settings again, tap on general, select transfer or reset iPhone, choose reset, select reset location and privacy, tap reset settings, press and hold the side button and one of the buttons until the slider appears, swipe the slider to power off, wait for 30 seconds, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Now go to settings, tap on general, select transfer or reset iPhone, choose reset, select reset all settings. After that, go to settings and search for low power mode. If it's enabled, turn it off. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.